उनकी तरफ देखा तो नीचे गमबूट, जब पर देखा ने फटे थे, आगे तो बड़े थे, लेकिन उठने देखे तो साथ में उनके। मैं कहा वेंडी दिल्ली जा, हस्बैंड का में प्रोफेसर क्या करती हूँ, मैं ये गारंटी हूँ तुम चलाती है, इन्हें फटे दिखते, चीज में जाती हो, बच्चे साथ में, क्या संस्कार।
The newly appointed Uttarakhand Chief Minister Teerth Singh Rawat has stoked a major controversy after his video criticizing women wearing ripped jeans went viral on the social media. A lot of women have come forward and posted pictures in ripped jeans on the social media. But what do the people of Dehradun feel about it? What is their opinion? Let's go and find out.
I think men and women are equal and nobody should have the right to tell anyone what to wear, what not to wear. It's a free country and nobody should, even dare to tell women you have to dress a certain way. And likewise, I don't think women should tell men, and that doesn't even happen. And then secondly, I think that there's a clear lack of priority, because if this is what the government of Uttarakhand is thinking about how women should dress and women should not dress, I don't think they've got their priorities straight. Because right now, if we talk about women are being harassed, rape, domestic violence, to name a few, and that is what actually should be the agenda. Like, why isn't he speaking about that? Why isn't he speaking about rape? Why isn't he speaking about making his women safe, the women of this state safe? Why isn't he talking about that? Why is he talking about ripped jeans? I think that just defeats the purpose of having a government, and this is not the kind of society we aim for.
This is wrong actually कि ripped jeans कोई पहन सकता है, boys भी पहनते हैं, हम भी पहनते हैं. Being a youngster, we are living into a 21st century right now, and it's an open world and it's an independent nation. Okay, so the mindset is wrong, and I think that this is wrong to elect someone who has such sort of a mindset.
My opinion on ripped jeans, the comment that made by Chief Minister is very sad, because we live in such a modern culture where everybody has their own opinion, whether they wear or eat or stay. Being in such a position, if women have been degraded by saying these things, it is very sad. I personally believe it not to be a comment on ladies.
Today it is very common. It's new society. It's 2021, and we should not say this all stuff.
There are many more issues regarding the women. As a woman, I see a lot of domestic violence is there. They're not educated, and they are having lot more issues, than to just regard this thing. This is a thing, that is not affecting the society. But I think you should see into those things, which are really affecting the society.
I don't think so that remarks were acceptable in present scenario, in present society. I use it to wear such type of clothes, but I am not against all this type of stuff which today's generation, young generation, they are wearing, whether they are male or female.
रिप्ड जीन्स से अगर कोई लड़की है, वुमेन है, वो कहीं सोसाइटी में जाती है तो डजंट मैटर कि उसने क्या पहना है, वो क्या संदेश देती है, उससे ये फर्क पड़ता है, ना कि हमारे कपड़ों से हम किसी का कैरेक्टर नहीं बता सकते.
I think that comment should not have been made. It's one's own will, whatever they want to wear or whatnot, and wearing something doesn't change your, what sanskars you have and all that. So it doesn't matter. You can wear what you want.
So this is what the people of Dehradun have to say on the Chief Minister's comments on ripped jeans, and majority of them feel that everybody has the right to wear whatever they want to wear. It's a free country, and also the fact that since the Chief Minister has been newly appointed, he should be looking at various issues that are of more importance than women wearing ripped jeans. For One India English, Anupati Gaur.